going on YouTube? Mitchy here, and just thought I'd do a video about just about my problem that I had with my just a problem that I had with my laptop the other day. It was like clicking all over the place by itself. The mouse was just going like this and then clicking and opening stuff up, clicking on like YouTube videos and stuff, and it was like really sporadic, so it wasn't like someone like was in control of it, because I think people can actually hack your computer and take control of it, but it wasn't like that. So I looked up on YouTube, searched on my phone, and the guy said that it could be the battery. Take the battery out. That didn't work. He also said I think it could be the charger, so I just tried to use it without the charger plugged in, just the battery, but that didn't work either. So then I thought it could be a faulty mouse, and so I unplugged the mouse and it stopped doing it. So yeah, that's probably the first thing you want to try. Could just be the mouse, which is an easy fix. You can buy a new mouse pretty cheap. So yeah, luckily I already had another mouse here, so I just grabbed that, and yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you guys. You guys are probably using a phone now if you're having this problem, but yeah, thanks for watching.